In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most important small business tax tips to save money, avoid penalties, and keep your business on solid financial ground. Let's jump in. Step 1. Understand how your business is taxed. You can't lower your tax bill if you don't know how taxes work for your business. Most small businesses, like sole proprietorships, single-member LLCs, and partnerships, are considered pass-through entities, meaning your business income is reported on your personal tax return. You'll pay federal and possibly state income taxes, plus a 15.3% self-employment tax on your net business income, up to a certain limit. If your business is structured as an S corporation, you may be able to reduce your self-employment tax burden. A C corporation, on the other hand, pays its own 21% corporate income tax and is subject to double taxation when profits are distributed to shareholders. Step 2. Know which tax forms to file and when. Filing the wrong tax form or missing a deadline can lead to avoidable penalties. Here's a quick breakdown. Sole proprietors and single-member LLCs. File Schedule C with your personal Form 1040. Due date April 15th. Partnerships and multi-member LLCs. File Form 1065. Due date March 15th. S corporations. File Form 1120. S. Also due date March 15th. C corporations. File Form 1120. Due date April 15th, assuming a calendar year end. Step 3. Gather the right tax information. This is where many small business owners fall behind, gathering complete and accurate records. To claim deductions and avoid costly errors, you'll need solid financial statements, especially a profit and loss statement. These show your total business income and expenses for the year. Step 4. Reduce your taxable income. The key to paying less in taxes is reporting all eligible business expenses. Common deductions include advertising and marketing, business-related travel and meals, car expenses, office supplies and utilities. Step 5. Avoid IRS penalties. There are 3 major penalties small business owners face. 1. Failure to file penalty, if you miss your filing deadline. 2. Failure to pay penalty, if you don't pay your taxes on time. 3. Underpayment of estimated taxes, if you don't pay enough throughout the year. Even if you file an extension, remember, you still need to pay your taxes by the original deadline. Step 6. How to get IRS penalties removed. Here's a tip most people don't know. The IRS offers a first-time penalty abatement. That means if you've been hit with a failure to file or failure to pay penalty, you may be able to get it completely waived just by asking. You don't need a long explanation. You simply call the IRS and request a first-time penalty waiver. At SK Financial CPA, we've helped clients successfully remove thousands in penalties by applying the right strategies, making strong cases, and correcting filing issues when needed. We helped one client eliminate a $26,222 penalty through proper communication and case building. Another had 2 years of penalties waived after we corrected their tax filings and presented the facts clearly to the IRS. If you're ready for expert guidance, visit skfinancial.com or give us a call today at 813-322-3936. And if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. We're here to help.